road network to get there. I don't know if we want to go like west to get a clear air view of it. It looks like it's coming right at us.
Yeah, I'll just stay, dude. I think we're good.
All right, let me get my camera. Look at that go again, Nathan. Look at that go.
Nico, come here. Yo. What's up?
There it is. Go tornado. Go tornado. Hell yeah. Tornado on the ground, guys. Tornado on the ground. Tornado, baby! Tornado on the ground, guys.
And it's now Torar, reported on the ground.
Look at that rope out, Nathan. Hell yeah! Some more pictures of that.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hamilton County in central
Nailed it,
Texas, southeastern Erath County in
Nailed it.
north central Texas, west Santa Rosa County in central Texas, southeastern Comanche County in central Texas.
I knew I had the 200mm lens for a reason.
No.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, southwestern San Jacinto County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Polk County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Walker County in southeastern Texas.
Still on the ground, guys. Still on the ground. Need to move the stream over. There you go. Look at that. Boy, we moved right in time, man. There we go. Chase season is kicked off, baby! Look at that, still funnel. It's going again, look at it. Still out there, guys. I wish we can get you a better view, but this is what we're gonna have to deal with. whole thing is still circling in there. They might try to do it again. Could put out a fatty. Here we go, we're cycling again. Another tornado on the ground, guys. Another tornado touching down right now.
Look, you headed south.
I think I'm headed east, to be honest with you. Yep, got a real tornado on the ground right now.
Let's go!
Number 2, baby!
Through
Number 2!
does go over to another crossroad that goes northeast. It's a little hard for me to tell.
Number 2, Chad. Number 2.
Number 2! I gotta get a wide angle shot. Look at it come down again. Look at that inflow pick up, buddy. Look at that go! Tornado on the live stream, guys. We might have a multi-vortex. There is a tornado on the ground. Nathan, it's coming right at us, buddy. Guys, tornado on the ground. Tornado on the ground. Look at this. Hey, hey, hey. We gotta watch this right in front of us, Nathan. We may have to move. Tornado on the ground, guys. Tornado on the ground. Look at the needle, look at the needle.
Severe thunderstorm warning for.
There's the needle for it right there.
In southeastern Texas, northeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas. Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Archer County in northern Texas, southwestern Wichita County in northern Texas, central Baylor County in northern Texas. Tornado warning for southeastern San Jacinto County in southeastern Texas, north central Liberty County in southeastern Texas, south central Polk County in southeastern Texas.
Wow! Look at that!
Philip, you okay?
Yep, I'm over here just getting pictures of this great big huge stuff stuck in tornadoes.
It's
heard from you in a while. Just checking on.
Come on. Look at that! Oh my God! Holy Jesus! Look at this! Oh my God! God. Oh my God. Look at this thing. What a freaking day! Look at this thing. We're gonna get right up to it, boys. We're getting right up to her. Still on the ground, guys. Still on the ground. If you're there, it's still on the ground. It's right here behind the house. Another tornado on the ground, guys. This is just freaking nuts.
It'd be nice if I could see it.
This is nuts! This is like number 7! Oh my god, it's hitting town! It's hitting town, this is not good! It's coming right into a town right here, guys! This is what we don't want! This is bad! This is not good, guys. I'm hoping it's missing whatever this is right here. cannot believe how many tornadoes I've seen today. This is crazy. Oh, now we got some big hail.